Yeah, maybe this is now here is also questions related to algebra. Here the question: give expression for the following case. Mean here some phrases are right as a question like 7 added to p. So here 7 is added with p. So here we write first p and then 7 added with p. So here the expression for this phrase as p plus 7. Now example number b. P multiplied by minus 5. So here there are two methods, like first we write in a product form like minus p multiplied by p, and we directly write minus 5p. Now see 11 added to 2m. So here 11 add with 2m. So here we write 2m plus 11. Now the next phrase D, y is multiplied by minus 5. So there is two parts of this phrase, y is multiplied by minus 5 and the result is added to 16. So here first we write y is multiplied by minus 5, then we write minus 5y. Because if y multiplied by minus 5, then we get minus 5y. So here we write minus 5y and the result is added to 16. 16 plus minus 5y. Okay, now here we will discuss about product form and exponential power. So if the literal numbers are repeated again and again in a fixed time, like here a repeat total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 6 times, so then we write a multiplied by a and so on. In total 6 times. So now in the second, here p repeat total 8 times. So then we write p total p multiplied by p 8 times here. Here we repeat p 8 times. Then third, 2 multiplied by a into a, and here multiply 3 into b into b. So these type of forms are known as product form of literal numbers in algebra. And exponential power. So if this form is product form, write in power. So then we write a multiplied by a, and these type of form like p to the power 7 and a to the power 6 are known as exponential power here. In the second example, like a to the power 3 and b to the power 4. So here mean a repeat here 3 times and b 4 times. So if we write this exponential power in product form, so then we write p multiplied by p and total 7 times. So this is product form of this exponential power. And if we write second part as product form, then we write a multiplied by a 3 times and multiplied by b into d into d. So this is exponential power form and this is product form. Numbers, literal numbers. Example number 8. Here a multiplied by a multiplied by b into b. So first here we
A to the power 2, B to the power 3.
b to the power 3. So here we write a to the power 2 and b to the power 3, because here we check first total repetition of. Now example number b, a to the power 2 b to the power 3 multiply by here we write 2 here, then a to the power 4 5 b to the power 2. Now how can we write this product form? A. So here 4 plus 2 6, then we write 2a to the power 6, and in multiplication in algebra power will be added with each other, mean has the same number like a but the power will be added. Now b and 5b square. So here there is no number with b, so 5 ones are 5, then b to the power 5. Now the next question. The length of a rectangular hall is 4 meter less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. What is the length if the breadth is b meters? So here breadth is given here, so breadth equal to b meter, then breadth is given. So now hall is 4 meter less than the breadth. So here 4 meter less than the breadth means b minus 4, and here 3 times the breadth also. So here we write 3b minus 4. So the length of the hall is 3b minus 4 meters. X centimeter. Its length is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Express the length and the breadth of the box. In terms of height. Okay, so the question is, a rectangular box has height h centimeter and its length is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Express the length and the breadth of the box in terms of height. So here here is rectangular box, and the height of the box is given at centimeter. So where the height is as centimeter, and here we find length and breadth of this box. Now height is given, so here we write height equal to x centimeter, and its length is 5 times the height. So the height, the length is 5 times of its height. So what is 5 times of its height mean? 5 into x centimeter, then we get 5x centimeter. So length equal to 5x centimeter. Now breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. So breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. So what is breadth? So what is the breadth of this rectangular box? 5h centimeter, 5h minus 10 centimeters. So here we equal to 5h centimeter minus 10 centimeters.
Dear students, in this exercise 11.4, you will solve question number 1, part A, part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. You will solve these questions in your homework. Thank you, students.